Here is interesting app called Day One Journal Private Diary, Gratitude Travel Daily Notes. This app is kind of in high charts in the fitness category, in the health category, and it's have been app of the year for Apple. Quite popular app. So with this app, you kind of you just record your life as you live it. You can save audio, video, photos, notes wherever you are, whenever you want. So it's also like just habit tracker, mood tracker app where you can just your private self blog, and which can help you to grow and to improve yourself. This app was Editor's Choice App of the Year, Apple Design Award. So yeah, more than words, add photos, videos, audio, and more. Beat Writer's Blog, a new prompt every day. And then you just receive these prompts every day, like what's your favorite form of physical exercise, all of these things like that. And then you just write them out, and it brings you calmness, like self-consciousness and all of the things. So here you can just sign in with Apple easily, just like that. There are some other sign-in options, and then from here you can just see how it looks like. Press the plus button to create a new entry, and then you can add photos, templates, audio, and more. And then you can just see, like, here is a journal. You can see the time of the note in the bottom left. You can add title, you can add some text, and then here you just have it like this. Then there are all these editing tools, and then you can just save it, and then you can also keep reminders. Then there is like essential guide, Day One Essentials Guide. With unique daily prompt, you never have to wonder, what should I write? Tap the plus new button on the home screen to find today's prompt. See your calendar, events, history, and photos all in one place to quickly recap your day in a summarized entry. Unlimited entries. Like, also they have a premium feature which helps you to add videos, audio, Instagram importer, cloud backup. So yeah, and that's basically the idea. So here you have that. And then you can just start writing, and that's basically the idea. You have streak, you have settings, and then you have daily prompt here in the sidebar in the left part, and that's the idea. It's pretty cool. And then you kind of just journaling yourself. So for a lot of people, it's really interesting idea, and a lot of people like this app.